Hey, Nate with Not Nerd here, and I got a little something from UPS. Let's see what Brown did for me today. I know what it is. Oh, a nondescript brown packaging with a nice little pull tab. And a slim white box with a tiny Apple logo. And there it is in all its glory. My physical Apple Card. I signed up in the app. They sent this to me. So simple. No card, no number for you to steal, no security code on the back. Just a beautiful metal card. Now I've heard, because people are worried about getting these dirties, that they're actually carrying it around in this. Come on, people. It gets dirty, it gets dirty. I have not used my Apple Card via my phone yet, and I've obviously not used this one yet, but I will at some point. I'll go to the Apple Store and buy some dongles with it and see how it works, but it's a beautiful card. It's metal. We'll see how it holds up. That's been the big worry, the big panic, is that it's going to get scratched and you might not want to put it in your wallet. I'm over that, but I do have my physical Apple Card now, so I am really cool. Keep up with Not Nerd, check out the podcast, all that good stuff. I'm going to go spend some money.